Hi, what's up, guys? Select FOTL PYT number 15. We're doing a random random color filler for the unsold teams on screen, guys. Only difference between Hobby and FOTL would be your orange Pulsar non-orange Pulsar autographs and the Tiger Stripe. So the FOTL exclusive is your orange Pulsars number to 7, the orange Pulsar RPAs to 33, as well as the Tiger Stripes is your exclusives, Hyatt. Dice roll, ace deuce or higher. We're going 8 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final. So you want the big spots on this one, guys. You want the big spots. You want the one of ones. You want the neon orange Pulsar non-autographs. If you want the autos, then yes, you want the auto spots as well. There's your guys' spots. Good luck on your team randoms. 1. 8 times, right? Yeah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th and final. Blue auto on the bottom. The XRC non is up top. Nice. Oops. And there's your spots, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. Let me alphabetize it really quickly for you so you guys can see, screenshot your spots. If and when we hit for you, I'll call it out, guys. There it is. The Swan with the neon orange Pulsar autograph. Ruiz gets the nod. Nice. Nice hit for Ruiz. Tiger Stripe. Peterson. Good luck. Everybody got your spots. I'll call them out as we go. Good luck, ladies and gents. All right. All right, guess the first tie-dye or better for 20. Go. So, Kragos. Let's see a big exclusive. What's up, Dom Collects? Hey, what up, D-Lee? Yeah, that's our cousin. That's true. That is our cousins. So Kyle with a C. See, Kyle with a C. He's sharp. He gets some of the biggest guys because he knows I'm going to pull some big people. Let's go. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Silver of Richardson for Jamon. Blue of Clay Matthews. McBride. Tricolor of Mike Mayer. We have an orange exclusive. Oh, the color looks decent. Looks old school now. It's Butkus to 7. Nobody guessed him. Let's be honest. 7 of 7 for the Bears. JPJ, Valentine Silver. Deontay Banks. Keaton Mitchell Silver. Tricolor field level. It's Jim McMahon for the Bears. Achan rookie. Deuce Silver. Tricolor of Schoonmaker for the boys as well. Levis base that goes to the base spot hot box. Zay. Derek Hall Silver. And there's a tricolor of Levis. For the tricolor and Chris CMB 88. It's the tricolor of Levis. I'll case up after every handful, guys, because I case up a lot more in select. Couple of $18 filler card hits. Can't be mad with those. There we go, second half. Start with a blue auto, Parker Washington for the Jaguars. For the blue autograph spot, Tom. And Jigba base, Laporta, O'Connell Silver. For the XRC non-silver, DB Ruiz gets that one. Metcalf, we're going to have 3 autographs because we have a purple auto of Chris Long for the St. Louis Rams. K-Town down. Hyatt. Addison. O'Connell for the base. Stroud on the base. Achan. Devontae. RPA coming. Zay. Silver. And Jigba Silver. And it's Quinton Johnston for the Chargers. Quinton Johnston for the Chargers, RPA to 33. And that goes to the stoned one. 19 to 33. A little bit of edge action on the bottom on that one, stoned. Gibson Long, Ryland, Debo Silver, and Laporta. That was box 1. Alright, that was an okay box. Nothing crazy out of that one. Had a lot of autos. Couldn't really capitalize otherwise, though. Box 2. Stroud on a silver. I thought that might be black. It's a blue field level. I stopped because I thought it might have been a black. Good luck on the blue field level. Oh, that might be a QB. And it's a Lamb Jack on the blue field level for no Adam. Nice blue field level. Nice hit. 38 of 49. Silver of Clay Matthews again. On the white, Rams and Lions got a random team on their multiverse. Chris D and K-Town got a random. Devontae Richardson base. Laporta silver. Quinton Johnston on the field level. Our last stack. Bledsoe silver. Richardson silver. Orange. It's Tank Bigsby on the orange pulsar to 33 for the Jags again. 9 of 33 on the tank for Tom. Alright, these two boxes not as strong, unfortunately. H-Chan, we'll see. Silver of Tyree Wilson. Red of Anders Carson. We have a white autograph. And it does go to you, Baki. We broke it. It's Ocho Cinco for the white auto. Nobody got Bengals, right? No, 25 of 35 for Baki. He said he had the white auto and he broke the curse. Told you we'd break it. Benton silver. Micah Parsons on the light blue. Clayton Toon. Maroon of Roshan. Oh, boy. If this says rookie, we got to sweat. Parsons for the boys to 7. 5 of 7 on the Parsons orange pulsar. Base of Young. Joshdown silver. Henley on the blue. Not the strongest break of this stuff, guys. Not the strongest on this one, guys. This stuff usually hits a lot better than that. That was kind of weak. The entire case was not... I didn't see any other boxes, to be honest with you. So I would not know. So that means something's got to be lurking. And I don't just say that, but that one was not good. Got a couple randoms real quick, guys. If not, we got to take a hobby case. That's what we got to do next. We got to do a hobby. FOTL is usually never bad, though, so that makes me curious. Not saying there's no such thing as a bad case, but it's kind of hard to have a bad case. I think that was the halfway point. I think I got 6 boxes left, I think. Here's your recap, guys. Got a random for Stafford. Ocho Cinco, Bigsby, Washington, Chris Long, Quentin Johnston on the 3 colors. And let's do a quick random for the Lions here on the multiverse patch. Dice Royce, deuce or higher, we go. 9 times. Left, right, random, good luck. 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The left team gets it. That goes to the Lions on the Stafford. Lions. Left team.